couple of more things I want to talk about for the magazine project. One is setting the page size. If you click on File and Page Setup, you will see this little box appear, and it normally goes by what your display is set at, but for this project we're using custom, and I set this at 9 by 10.5, but that's where you go to do that setting. The next thing I need to talk about is the order of things. So I have a text box hidden in the background that's got my title on it, and I want to arrange and choose order. And if you look at this, I have bring to front or bring forward, and also notice the shortcut keys, Control Shift and up and Control up. But I'm going to click on bring forward, and you can see that now I have my title there in front. And I have some other things here that I want to do here. Look at this. I have this this text in the background. It got covered up by images, so I'm going to use those keystrokes, the Control forward, and you can see it moving back and forth through the images. So that's where I want it. Another thing I want to show you is formatting this font. If you click Format and Font Size, you can see you can increase and decrease the font size. I use this a lot to help make sure titles and things fit properly. So what that lets you do is, if you select the box without picking any words, you can decrease that font size to make it smaller or larger. So if you have a space you're trying to fill, you can use that as a quick way to make it fill up that space. Or if you have a title that you want to fit inside this box, then you can shrink the font size until your words all fit there, so like that. Okay. The other thing I want to talk about is, well, now you can just see that you can move things back and forth. So that's not where I want that. I want it behind the text, and I actually want it behind that so you can read more of it. So that gives you some ways to move things back and forth. Alright, that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. Have a good day.